الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين وآله الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين المظلومين والعنة الدائمة على أعدائهم أجمعين إلى يوم الدين أما بعد فقد قال الله الحكيم في كتابه الكريم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر صدق الله العلي العظيم. So yesterday in the last lesson, we learned about Madina Arabic Book 1, Lesson 3. We did the major part of the lesson, but today what we are going to do is to finish Lesson 3,
Yeah.
the last part, and then we will begin Lesson
Oh,
4. So the last part of Lesson 3 is very simple, and it is about Huruf al-Shamsiyya and Huruf
okay.
al-Qamariyya. Whenever we recite the Quran or any Arabic text,
Okay.
the shadda for Lam al Qamariya is there. So if we have Huruf al Shamsiya after Alif Lam, then what we do is we have a shadda in that, right? So yesterday we reached till page 22. Today we will quickly move on with page 23. The first thing is to add another word to your Af'alul Amr list. The list of Af'alul Amr imperatives, add the word ikhtar. इख्तर इख्तर के माने होते हैं इख्तियार करो. इंग्लिश में कहेंगे चूज.
اختيار
जी, choose, right?
اختار
Add this word to your vocabulary, to your imperative list. قائمة. قائمة means column. Qa'im means standing, and qa'imatun means anything that is
yeah.
standing. So qa'imatun here means column. The dictionary meaning of qa'imatun is standing,
Okay.
right? Now the applied meaning is
Yeah.
column. Applied meaning. Okay. Al-qa'imati ba. तुनासिबु. तुनासिबु यानी जो मुनासिब हो.
Appropriate again.
تناسب الكلمة التي في القائمة ألف. Right? So this is just match the column. It's very easy.
Okay.
So what matches with talibun?
الطالب مريض.
Maridun, correct. And then الدكان
الدكان مفتوح.
مفتوح, correct. And then التفاح
تفاح لذيذ.
لذيذ. And then
الماء حار.
حار. And then
الحجر ثقيل.
ثقيل. And then
القلم مكسور.
القلم مكسور. ما شاء الله, correct. Now the next is الكلمات الجديدة. حلو means sweet. مريض means a patient, unwell person. الدكان means shop. غني means rich. طويل means tall or long. فقير means فقير means poor. And then قصير means short. التفاح means the apple. The next topic is about حروف القمرية والحروف الشمسية. So this is very common. Everyone who recites the Quran, they know that there are some letters where you don't say al shamsu or al tajiru. You don't say al saubu. You don't say al diku. So all the lam qabariya already have a
Yeah.
shadda. All the lam shamsiya after the after the lam we have got this shadda that connects. The reason behind it, what's the reason behind huruf al-shamsiyya and huruf al-qamariyya, is that all the letters that are in proximity to lam get merged into lam, like the letter noon, like the letter, for example, like the letter shin, like the letter sin. All of them are in proximity, so that is why. Now, اقرأ
Okay.
الكلمات. اقرأ, read al-kalimat, the words al-atiyata that are following, kalimat al-atiyata, waktubha, and write them. Waktubha, and write them. Mura'iyan, by मुरायन यानी रियायत करना, ख्याल रखना। किस बात का ख्याल रखना है?
Eh,
कवाइद
sorry.
नुतक,
Atia.
आतिया, फॉलोइंग। आती लफ्ज जो है ये उर्दू का लफ्ज आती, जो
Following.
अरबी का लफ्ज आतिया है। ठीक है, हम बोलते हैं ना बारिश आती है,
Okay.
राइट, खातून आती है,
Okay.
right? नींद आती है, सो दैट इज
Atia.
आती इज एक्चुअली एन अरबिक वर्ड, आती है। मुरायन, मुरायन यानी रियायत करना, ख्याल करना, रियायत। कवाइद नुतक, नुतक तारीफ, how to say lam tarif, right? Either you connect with lam tarif, or you pronounce the lam tarif, or you don't pronounce the lam tarif, right? In huruf al-shamsiyya wal qamariya it is very easy. Please.
Okay. Uh, so I say which is a Shamsiya al Qamariya, yeah?
No, you just read these words, that's it.
Okay. Al Baytu, the house, Adiku, the rooster, Al Mudarrisu, the teacher, Al Babu, the door, Al Talibu, the student, Al Sukkaru, the sugar, Al Daftaru, the desk. No, Daftar was notebook, yeah? Aga?
Yes, correct.
Daftar notebook, yeah. Al-Akhu, a brother, the brother.
The brother.
Al-Rasulu, the messenger. Al-Wajhu, the face.
Good.
Al-Siddiqu,
It's not Siddiq.
1 minute, Fatima. Hold on, please. Al-Sadiqu, the friend.
Good.
Al-Qur'anu, the Quran. Al-Salatu, the prayer. Al-Ka'batu, the Kaaba. Al-Ra'su, the head. Isba'u, I don't know this one.
Isba. I don't remember.
Al-Isba'. Okay. As-Sabunu, the soap. Al-Dhufru, I don't know.
Okay.
Al-Fajru, the Fajr, the dawn. Al-Dhuhru, the Gohar
Yeah,
time. Al-Asr, the Asr.
yeah.
Al-Maghrib, the Maghrib, evening. Al-Isha, the Isha.
Okay, mashallah. So let's have a look at the words. What did we have? Zufru. I think it is the Zufr. Zufr क्या होता है? Okay,
Zufar is not here, yeah.
okay. I'll find it inshallah. This is some utensil, I think.
Okay.
Okay. So the points to remember in this lesson was that
Hmm.
in this lesson we learn the use of the Arabic definite article alif lam, al, which corresponds to the English word the when the definite article al is prefixed to a noun. Naturally the indefinite article noon tanween will be dropped, right? So
Yeah, right.
changes to al baytu. Arabic has 28 letters. Of these, 14 are called solar letters, the sun letters, and the other 14 are called the lunar letters or moon letters. In the articulation of the solar letters, the tip of the blade of the tongue is moved as in TNRS, etc. Right? So it's the simplified. It is about the proximity of lam with these letters. The proximal letters will be pronounced as ash, like ash-shamsu, az-zufru, and so on. Yes, the word az-zufru was there here. التاجر الثوب الديك الذهب الرجل الزهرة السمك الشمس الص- الص-
الضيف.
ये क्या الصدر या
الصدر.
الصدر الضيف الطالب الظهر اللحم النجم. The word is not here again, Zufar.
Yeah.
Chalo, it's okay. So this is all for lesson number 3. Okay, now we will begin lesson number 4, but I don't know if we can finish it today.
Okay, we see how much we can.
Okay, we will just do the alif part and then we'll do the ba part in the next one. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Let's begin, please.
Okay. Al-Hammam, the bathroom. Al-Ghurfa, the room.
Correct.
Al-Baytu, the house. Fil Bayti, in the house. Al-Maktabu, the desk. على المكتب, on the desk.
On the desk. على المكتب. Read the full word.
على المكتب, on the desk.
Yeah.
المسجد, the masjid. في المسجد, in the masjid. السرير, the bed. على السرير, on the bed.
Very good, mashallah. Carry on.
1 minute. Yes. In. Okay. أين محمد? Where is Muhammad? Where? هو في الغرفة. He is in the room.
Yeah.
وأين ياسر? And where is Yasir? هو في الحمام. حمامي. He is in the bathroom.
Right.
أين آمنة? And where is Amina? هي في المطبخ. She is in the kitchen. just write this. مطبخ. أين الكتاب? Where is the book? هو على المكتب. It is on the desk. وأين الساعة? And where is the... This is clock or watch, or for both of them?
Oh, for both of them.
ساعة watch.
Actually, when the Arabs say where is the clock, they are actually saying where is the time. Okay.
Oh,
Actually, the
but
time is waqt, right? Waqt. But
yeah,
waqt is duration, a time period.
okay.
And sa'a
Here,
is commonly for the word hour, like
hour.
fi sa'atil ula, in the first hour, right? Or we can say that for the watch also, it is the same.
Okay, fine. هي على السرير. It is on the bed.
Right, ahsant. So you see, there are some new things here. The word aina, where. You already know the meaning of aina, so it's clear. Now,
Yeah.
he's asking about Muhammad, then the reply is huwa.
Yes.
If he's
Huwa
asking
is he.
about Amina, then the reply is hiya.
Yeah, she.
So she, ahsant. And if it
Hmm.
is a non-living thing, even the kitab, if he's
Yeah.
asking about kitab, then the reply is huwa.
Hmm.
So,
Because it's so Kamari letters are Huwa and Shamsi letters are Hiya.
no, 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 no. The
No.
masculine nouns are huwa and the feminine nouns are hiya.
So how do we know?
You we learn the language and we know which nouns are masculine and which nouns are feminine. Okay? There are easy clues. For example, the first clue is that whenever you have ta marbuta at the end of a word,
Oh,
so that is a feminine noun.
oh, okay.
Okay? Ta marbuta is a feminine noun. Or if you have alif maqsura, you know what is alif maqsura? In the word ala, mata, there is alif maqsura. Musa, Isa. Then
Okay.
except Musa and Isa, there are feminine nouns. Okay? And whenever
Okay.
a word ends at alif and hamza, whenever a word ends at alif and
Ali.
hamza, also a feminine noun.
So,
Right? Then the
yes.
pronoun used with it would be she,
Okay.
hiya. Hiya is she, and
Hmm.
huwa is he. Now,
Okay.
the rules of huruf shamsiya and qamariya are only related to one small little single thing. Okay, it's not anything very important in the grammar,
Okay.
right? They are just the correct articulation.
Okay, fine.
So here we learned that a non-living thing is also a he or she in Arabic. There is
Yeah.
no concept of it. There is no concept of it.
Okay.
Now we go to the lesson. Ajib. Add this word to your af'alul
Ajib.
amr, to your imperative list. Add this word ajib. अजिब का माना होता है जवाब दो.
Jibu. Okay. In Swahili language, we say jibu to
Jibu.
answer.
Right.
Uh,
So
answer.
there's the same word. अजिब या
Jib.
जवाब दो या jibu. It's the same word. Okay.
Okay.
जवाब
Questions.
दो.
Following
Reply or answer.
verb. Yeah.
أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية. Answer the
Following
following.
questions.
أين
أين,
الكتاب? जी.
where is the book?
Mhm.
هو على السرير. هو على المكتب.
مكتب. أحسنت. They are the same questions. Okay. Then
Yeah,
we have
okay.
أين محمد?
Where is Muhammad? هي
هو.
هو في الغرفة.
هو في
غرفة.
الغرفة. Third
غرفتي.
question. أين الساعة؟
هي على السرير.
هي على السرير. أحسنت. Next one. أين ياسر؟
هو على الحمام. هو في
في
الحمام. في
في الحمام.
الحمام.
Correct. هو في الحمام. The
مم.
fifth one. أين آمنة؟
آه هي في المطبخ.
هي في المطبخ. Correct. ما شاء الله. Very good. Next one. Question number 6. Now look at this question. آمنة في الغرفة.
أها.
آمنة. This
is
starts with
in
if. Wait. This
a-
starts with Hamza Istifham. Hamza Istifhamiya. We learned about this Hamza Istifhamiya yesterday, right?
yeah.
Minatu. Is Amina fil ghurfati? Then what you say? La.
نعم. اه اوكي. لا، هي في المطبخ. مطبخ.
أحسنت. هي في
في
المطبخ. هي في المطبخ.
ياسر في المطبخ. لا، هو في الحمام.
Correct. ما شاء الله. في الحمام. Next one. من في الغرفة. من.
who in who is it
Okay,
was that guy.
I
What
will
his
show you.
name? Yeah, Yasir.
Yeah,
Muhammad.
yes. Muhammad was in غرفة. So how do you
uh,
write it? من في
uh,
الغرفة.
uh, محمد في الغرفة.
Yes, correct. محمد.
محمد في الغرفة.
صح. And then ومن في الحمام.
آه ياسر في الحمام.
Yes,
ياسر في
yes.
الحمام.
حمام. Usually when the Arabs speak, they don't say Yasirun. They just say Yasir fil hammam. Okay?
Yeah,
They just say
yeah,
Muhammad fil ghurfa. Amina
right.
fil. Okay?
مطبخ. Yeah,
They everywhere in the world, for every language, there is a literary language and there is a conversational language. So in
right.
conversational language, they don't use these diacritic marks at the end of the word. They don't
Okay,
say Muhammadun. They say Muhammad. They don't say Yasirun. They say Yasir. They don't say Aminatu. Okay?
Amina.
They just say
Yeah,
Am. You see? So
yeah.
when you learn the language of the Quran, the language of the Quran should be very, very precise. Otherwise, the file will change into maf'ul. You see? And the
Okay.
mubtada will change to khabar and the mudaf will change to mudaf ilayh. It is grammatical structure. So that is why we recommend you to even to see to say yasirun fil hammami.
في الحمامي. Okay.
Yes, because you are learning now. You are learning grammar. That's why. Okay. If
Okay.
you are
Okay.
if you are not learning grammar, you are just speaking Arabic, then you say yasir fil hammam. That's okay.
Okay.
في الغرفة آمنة في المطبخ. It's okay. But when you learn the Arabic grammar, then you don't,
Mm.
yeah, you always mention the ending. Always mention the ending at the word. Yeah. Next word, next question. ماذا على المكتب? What is ماذا?
الكتاب في المكتب.
على المكتب.
سوري، الكتاب على المكتب.
على المكتب. أحسن. الكتاب على المكتب. When the Arabs say, they say الكتاب على المكتب. Okay?
Yeah.
They would
الكتاب
even say
على
كتاب على المكتب.
المكتب.
They would not say the al.
Yeah.
Okay? So it depends on where you are in the Arab world and how they speak Arabic. Then ماذا على السرير؟
الساعة على السرير.
أحسنت. الساعة على السرير. الساعة على السرير. Correct. So we have learnt about ماذا. ماذا means what. Man means who. Ma means what. Again. Right.
Mm.
Aina means where.
Yeah.
To the next page. اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. Very easy. Please read all
Okay.
the words with the correct
Okay.
i'rab. With the correct i'rab.
Okay. Okay.
Let me tell you
الم... ال...
wait, let me tell you
Sorry.
something here about a very
Okay.
basic thing. What is the difference between i'rab and harakat? So al-madrasatu. In this word, the
Yeah.
i'rab is this dhamma. Okay? All the other things are just
Oh,
harakat. Like this, this is all harakat. Difference
okay.
between harakat and i'rab. Whenever you have the last letter has the i'rab.
Okay. حركات.
Markings of fatha, kasra, dhamma are just harakat, not i'rab.
Okay. And lab is
And
the
harakat,
last sign on
yes, the last sign on the sign on the last letter of a word.
last letter of the word. Okay.
Now, in this word, when we say fil madrasati, so the ti at the end is because of the word fi, right? This is the i'rab.
Ah, okay.
So the i'rab is not fixed. It depends on the sentence structure. Okay, the i'rab
Okay.
dependent on the sentence structure. The harakat are always the same.
Okay.
Harakat are always the same, and i'rab
Same.
depends on the sentence structure. Because we saw that first it was al madrasatu, al madrasatu, hazal
Yeah.
madrasatun, or al madrasatu. Now here it is fil madrasati. Now how does this change from madrasatu to madrasati? It is called it is because of the letter fi before the word, before the noun. Now this word is called jar, harfu jar, harfu preposition. Please write it down. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Hello.
الفجار.
حرف جار.
هرفجار.
حرف جار. Look at the screen. I'm writing everything there.
Yeah, هرفجار. Prepositions.
Preposition. And the word that is following the harf jar is called majroor. So majroor is the whole word, okay, not only the last letter.
Okay.
Majroor is the whole word that is following the harf jar. And then
مجرور. Okay.
majroor. The last letter we saw here is called the mahall i'rab. Mahall i'rab, the place of i'rab. The letter ta is the place of i'rab.
The place of
Of i'rab. Written.
Yeah.
So the number of harf jar are 17. There are 17 words that are the prepositions or particles of jar. The particles which change the next word, which change the i'rab of the next word, right? So let's begin again with al-madrasatu.
Okay. المدرسة. في المدرسة. في البيت. البيت. الغرفة. الحمام. في الحمام. في المطبخ. الكتاب.
Al-maktabu.
على المكتب. المكتب. على المكتب. على الكرسي. السرير. على الكتاب. في المسجد.
Fil masjidi. So until now we know some of the harf jar. Fi, ala, fi and ala. We have learned about two of them. Fi,
Yeah.
ala.
And min
Min.
is not a hurfujar.
Min is a harf jar.
Okay.
Min. Right? There are 17 harf jar. I am
Okay.
not telling you all the 17 right now. Okay? I'm not telling you all the 17 right now to make things simple. But there are 17 harf jar. The next question is Iqra waktub.
Okay. Okay. الطالب في الجامعة. The student is in the university.
Yes,
Is it university?
that's correct.
Okay. الرجال في المسجد. The man is in the mosque.
الرجل.
أين التاجر؟ أين التاجر? Where is the businessman? هو في الدكان. He is in the shop. Aga, Aina is not Hurfujar.
Aina is a question word. It cannot be a horfujar.
Okay, fine, sorry. Al-qalamu ala al-maktabi. The pen is on the desk. Aina Zainabu? Where is Zainab? Hiya fil ghurfati. She is in the room. So here it's not she is in her room. No, she is in the room.
In the room. If we want to say in her
Okay.
room, then we would say fi ghurfatiha.
Fatiha. Oh, okay, okay. Aina al-waraku? Where is the paper? Huwa ala al-maktabi. It is on the desk. So I'll just write al-waraku. Waraku. Okay. Aina al-mudarrisu? Where is the teacher? Huwa fil fasli. He is in the, I don't know, first.
Class.
Oh, class. I'll just write it down. Al fasli. Class. Aina Yasiru? Yasirun? Huwa fil mirhaf. Mirhaf. Where is Yasser? He is in, I don't know the word. Al
Mirhad is the
Mir.
toilet.
It's a.
Toilet.
Oh, okay, okay. Washroom or washroom. Okay. Irham. الشمس والقمر في السماء. في السماء. The sun and the moon are in the sky.
Correct.
من في الفصل? Who is in the class?
Class. Ahsant, mashallah. Very good. Now add another word to your af'alul amr, the imperative list.
Okay.
Ta'ammal. Ta'ammal. Ta'ammal means
Amal.
consider.
The
Ta'ammal.
consider.
Consider.
Okay.
Consider the following. Now you see, all the male
Okay.
nouns, all the names of the men have the tanween. All the names of the women, they cannot have a tanween. They would have a single dhamma. Muhammadun, Khalidun, Hamidun, Yasirun, Ammarun, Sa'idun, Aliyun, Abbasun. But the feminine nouns, the
Okay. So
feminine
it's a
names
must.
have one dhamma. They cannot be Aminatun. They cannot be Zainabun. Okay? It should be
Okay.
Aminatu, Zainabu, Fatimatu, Maryamu, Aishatu, Khadijatu, and then Safiyatu and Ruqayyatu. So this was something
Okay.
important, that names of men will have double dhamma or double harakat, the tanween. But a woman's word
Okay.
cannot have a tanween. A woman's word, a woman's name cannot be a tanween. Now, اقرأ
Okay.
واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. Please read this with the correct i'rab.
Okay. Hamidun,
Yeah,
Zainabu,
yeah.
Aminatu. So it has to be Dhamma, only Dhamma, yeah?
Yes, in the default state, it is always Dhamma. In the default state,
Okay.
every noun is always have a Dhamma. This is called Halatul Rafa. I will tell you about Halatul Rafa, inshallah, later. But right now, to understand easily, is that in the
Okay.
default state, every
Amarun.
noun,
Sorry.
yeah,
Amarun. Sa'idun.
yes,
Fatimatu. Maryamu. Aliyun. Khalidun. Abbasun. Aishatu. Muhammadun. Safiyatu. Khadijatu.
correct. Sallallahu ala Muhammad.
Aga, I just had one question. So
Yes,
when we say Muhammad, it's always Muhammadun Rasulullah, yeah? It's not Muhammadan Rasulullah.
it can be Muhammadar Rasulullah if it has the word Anna before it. So when we say the kalima, we say La ilaha illallah
Hello?
Muhammadur Rasulullah. Muhammadur Rasulullah.
Muhammadur Rasulullah.
But
Not
when we have,
Muhammadan.
okay, when we have the word inna or anna before it, then we say
Okay.
inna Muhammadan.
Okay.
Okay, this
So
is actually the
the
Arabic grammar. Huh. This is actually the Arabic grammar. So when we have different meanings in the sentence, then we have different Arab. Like with be, we say be
Muhammad.
Muhammadin.
Okay.
You see, so these are the three uh, very basic sentences like huwa Muhammadun, inna Muhammadan, le Muhammadin, or be Muhammadin, or ala
Okay.
Muhammadin, right?
Okay. So for example, in kalima, we will just say Muhammadun Rasulullah.
Yes,
And in adhan and iqama, because it's ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah, we say tanween fatha.
correct.
Okay, thank you.
So now what we need to learn here is that in the sentence huwa Muhammadun, it is called halatul rafa. Write it down, please. Halatul rafa.
Hala- Halatur rafa. Okay,
Now the other one, inna Muhammadan. This is halatul nasab.
Muhammadun. Okay, halatun nasab.
Yes,
Nasab,
nasab.
which is inna or anna. Bewi. Dono,
In,
yeah?
I will tell you the detail about halat. I am just explaining what is halatul rafa, what is halatul nasab, and what is halatul jar. Okay, with one example,
Okay.
right? With one example each. If I start telling you
Okay.
about all the words that give nasab, then it would be confusing,
Okay.
right? Then we have the
Ratul
halat.
jar. Jar.
For example, you can say ala Muhammadin, be Muhammadin, etc.
Okay. بمحمد
بمحمد
محمد
على التجار.
على. Okay.
Right? This is the most
Yeah.
important thing to understand in Arabic grammar. What is the meaning of halat
Okay.
al-rafa, meaning of halat al-nasab, and the meaning of halat al-jar? I'll explain later. But first, we must
Okay.
understand what is the difference between rafa, nasab, and jar. You have dammatain, you have rafa. You have fathatain, you have nasab. You have kasratain, you have jar.
Okay.
Right? I will tell you in detail about these things
Right.
later, and that's all
Okay.
for today's lesson.
Okay, madam.
We will begin this part B, inshallah, in the next class.
Okay, inshallah.
صلى الله على محمد
Okay.
وآله
Okay, inshallah.
الطاهرين.
It's a long break till next Friday.
Yes, yes. And I recommend that you revise everything that we have done. You manage to get the books in the
Yeah, yeah.
meantime, and you
Hmm.
also revise the lesson. Okay? I'll send you the
Okay.
record. I will send you the recording of today's lesson as well. You can watch these
Okay.
lessons. Just take some time, like 15-20 minutes every day, and
Yeah.
just watch the lessons. Anything you don't
Okay.
understand, watch the lessons on 2x speed, so uh, you can revise each and everything that I have told you here.
Okay. Inshallah.
ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع